We urge you to read this disclaimer before viewing the video or practicing the techniques depicted therein. Named after the olive ridley turtle, one of the ocean's authentic tiny treasures, Ollie's Club and Ollie's Corner at participating ITC Hotels and Welcomhotels is a tribute to authentic, nurturing and holistic nourishing of the young beacons in our lives. Designed to make their stay with us interactive and responsible experiences, curated activities and utmost safety, the Ollie Summer Camp is an extension of our service to our young guests at home. Stay tuned for upcoming sessions that unwrap a bundle of activities for the kids to practice and parents to gainfully engage in.
Namaste. My name is Abhishek and I am the yoga teacher at ITC Grand Bharat. Welcome my dear friends. I hope you are enjoying your free time at home. We are happy to bring to you the Ollie Summer Camp by ITC Hotels and Welcomhotels, which will include a lot of fun and knowledgeable activities.
Today we'll do some yoga for children. Let's start with various poses such as tree,
Monkey, rabbit, cat and cow, and end up with crocodile, snake. Let's have fun together.
Let's start with the standing postures. The first one is the tree pose, the one leg posture.
Simply fold your right leg, place your right sole, and simply raise both your palms. Find the balance. And now slowly hands down, and the same we'll do to the left side. Now fold your left leg. Concentrate at a certain point. This will improve a sense of stability. And now slowly hands down. Let's move towards the next position, which is in sitting position. Let's start with the butterfly pose. So let's fly like a butterfly. Simply join the sole of your feet and move your knees up and down like this. Up and down 30 to 50 times. This posture will improve flexibility in your body. Alright, the next posture is the tiger pose. Here you need to roar like a tiger. So place your palms in front of the body. Slightly bend forward and roar like a tiger. So 5 times roaring starts. Relax. Massage your throat. It can be itchy. Simply massage it. So the next posture is the rabbit pose. Simply sit like this. Hold your wrist and bend forward. This is like a position of a rabbit. Resting. Now slowly come up. And now the next posture is the monkey pose. You must have seen an itching monkey. So we'll do the same here. The monkey posture. Raise your left hand up like this and start itching like a monkey. Move your shoulder completely to your right and left like this. And now the other side. So raise your right hand up and now start itching with your left hand. Okay, so the next posture is a frog pose. So here we have to form a position of a frog. Lies on the floor. So we'll form like this. Inhale and exhale. Keep breathing. Alright, so now we'll do some postures. Some interesting postures in 4 leg positions. The first one is a cat pose. So place your palms underneath your shoulders, heels apart. As you inhale, raise your head and lower down your spine. And now, as you exhale, head down and spine up. Do it 5 times. The next posture is the cow pose. So here we'll have to walk like a cow. How a cow walks? We'll have to walk in the same way. First forward walking and then backward. And now we'll do the dog pose. Simply form the structure of a dog. Raise your left leg up and then down. And now right leg up and down. Then up, down, right up and down. Relax. Now we'll do some more postures. Lying on your abdomen. The first one would be the crocodile pose, the resting crocodile. So place your elbows on the ground, make a cup shape with your palms and place it under your chin. Heels facing inwards. Enjoy the resting crocodile position. And now the swimming crocodile position. Simply move your legs like this. And now relax. And now we are moving to the next posture, the snake pose. So place your palms next to your chest, chin up the ground, toes resting on the floor, knees together. Simply inhale, raise up yourself, and then down. So inhale up, and then exhale down. So let's move to some of the postures which are in the spine position, and we simply lie down on our back. So here we start with the fish pose. Feet together. Simply adjust your elbows and raise a bit up. Adjust your elbows. Place it underneath your shoulders and take a breath. Simply breathe in and out. Okay, now lie down. Losing your body with the palm facing upwards, hands apart. Try to memorize all the postures we have done till now, from the beginning to ending, and take a turn and come to the sitting position. I hope this was an interesting session. Now promise me that you'll try these poses at your home during your free time. Now over to Chef Soni, who'll take you through some healthy cuisines. Chef Soni.
Namaste kids, I am Chef Soni from ITC Royal Bengal and we are happy to bring you Ollie summer camp from ITC Hotels and Welcomhotels. And today I'll be showing you how to make no-bake granola bites. They are so easy to make that you can just keep them ready in your fridge, and whenever you feel hungry you can snack upon them. They are filled with goodness of nuts and fibers and proteins. So let's get started. So now that we know what we are making, let me take you through the ingredients we would require to make granola bites. So you will need muesli, rolled oats, desiccated coconut, peanut butter, choco chip, puffed amaranth and honey. And apart from the ingredients, we will also be requiring few of the equipment. Here is a paper towel to use it, paper napkins, the spoons for the ingredients, there's ice cream scoop, rubber spatula to combine all the ingredients, an extra bowl just to keep the used spoons and spatulas, a big bowl to combine all the ingredients, and finally a tray where we will shape our granola bites and store it. So let's just quickly start making our granola bites. So we will begin with muesli. We'll put 8 spoons of muesli in our mixing bowl. Next is our rolled oats, Same goes for that also. We'll use 4 spoons of oats. Desiccated coconut, 4 spoons of it. Peanut butter, again 4 spoons. Choco chips, 4 spoons of it. Puffed amaranth. And the good thing about amaranth is that it is the highest in fibers and protein. It's a very good source of protein and fiber. Again 4 spoons of it. Honey will work as a binding agent for this entire recipe along with peanut butter. 4 spoons of honey as well. So now that we have all the ingredients in the bowl, we'll mix it. You rotate the bowl and you use your spatula from outside to inside. This way all the ingredients will be combined properly. So now that we have combined all the ingredients in the bowl, we will refrigerate this for 30 minutes. So you see the difference? It's quite set. So now it is ready to shape. So let's scoop and shape them. Use your hands, press it with your hands so it becomes nice and round. And that's all. So easy. So we are ready with our granola bites. So kids, always remember, be smart and eat granola bites. Now let's move on to the next recipe. Kids, are you ready for some magic? I'll show you how to make magic bhel, but for that you have to first learn how to make sprouts. It's a magic, you have to grow leaves out of seeds, and I'll show you how to do that. So to make sprout, you need lentils or legumes. Almost all lentils or legume will sprout. So you take green moong in a bowl. This needs to basically soak overnight. So they soak in all the water in which they are soaked. Pour in some water. Add enough water so that all the lentils are soaked in. And then you can keep this covered overnight. You see the difference of the seeds? They're comparatively bigger in size. And then you have to tie a knot. And spray some water. So the moisture remains. Why I'm adding water is, it is again going to be soaked in this water, wrapped in this cloth till tomorrow. And that's about it. Isn't it easy? I will show you how the final growth looks like. Alright friends, so this is the desired result we were looking for. So we had our patience in place and now we have finally got what we needed. This is what we were looking for. So a bowl of sprout every day will make you stronger because it will increase your immunity. You will have a better digestion because it is rich in protein and fiber. Now we'll use the same sprouts to make our magic bhel. So to make our magic bhel, we will require ingredients which are chopped green chilies, coriander, chopped tomatoes, chopped onions, lemon juice, salt, our homemade black chana sprout, green sprout. We'll also need few equipments which will be a mixing bowl to combine all the ingredients, couple of spoons, a spatula and an empty bowl to keep your used spoons. So let's begin. We start with green moong. We'll put 5 tablespoons of green moong. We use 2 tablespoons of black chana sprouts. We add 2 tablespoons of tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of chopped onions, a tablespoon of chopped coriander, and half a tablespoon of green chili. We'll give it a nice mix. What a colorful dish, you see. Now we add seasoning. We add half a teaspoon of salt. So you should add it only after mixing it because as soon as you add salt to any vegetable, they start releasing their water. It's good that you add it towards the end. And we'll finish it with 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Again, give it a nice mix so that your salt is evenly distributed. So this is how our final dish looks like. You see, such easy steps and so healthy food. Take a look. Friends, I'm sure you had a fun and learning session with me. Share your videos with the hashtag Ollie Summer Camp. And don't forget to tune in tomorrow because we have a lot of fun sessions planned for you. Stay home, stay safe.